it's pretty close to what they wrote, you're going to find a pretty good relationship. But it's kind of like my interpretation of their questions. And I think it's a good set of questions to ask, definitely for linear regression, but really for a lot of models that you're going to have out there, right? So, is there a relationship at all between X and Y? Should be your first question. The next question is, how strong is that relationship? After that is, how much is the effect of X? How do you find what X is to begin with? Right? How do you know that TV spend has that effect on sales? Are there other factors besides X, like a Z factor, right? Because there could be more than one factor, right? And then, is there an interaction effect between X and Z that impact Y, right? Because when you start talking about additional factors that you're taking into your model, well, now those factors have an interaction factor with each other that you have to take into account, right? But these are 6 really good questions that I think the authors are proposing. And I take that one step further, and I basically kind of give you some notes here, because this is why I think it kind of relates to each other, or how it relates to data science, or why I say that you should be taking these 6 items and carrying them forward. Is there a relationship between X and Y? Well, that relates to model selection, right? Because if there is a relationship X and Y, you're probably talking that it could be like a supervised problem. So now you can really only look at supervised models, right? How strong is that relationship? Well, you're really talking about errors there, right? The stronger the relationship, the lower the errors. So that's really what you're talking about there. How much is the effect of X? Is the weighting, right? Because how much do you want to weigh that value of X? How much of a weight do you want to attribute to that TV spend? Maybe it's high, maybe it's low, who knows? When you're talking about how do you find what X is to begin with, or how do you find if there's other factors like Z, well, that's your feature search, right? When you're talking about, feature searches or feature engineering or data transforms, all that stuff, that's what you're talking about, right? What other things could be affecting my model?